have about 105, 110 men on the food program. So as you can imagine, that's a lot of milk that we go through every week. I would say on average, we usually go through around 50 gallons a week. There is something called the Essential Needs Task Force. They reach out to me about Prairie Farms and mention that they have a contract with the USDA to donate dairy boxes to nonprofits. So immediately I was super excited. Dairy is something that we struggle getting donations on. Milk, butter, cheese, sour cream, all of those things. We definitely struggle and have to pay for those most of the time. So when I got this email, I was geeked, very excited. So they have these things that they call dairy boxes, and in each dairy box is 2 gallons of milk, 2 strawberry milk, 2 chocolate, and then 4 other items: cream cheese, sour cream, chip dip, and cottage cheese. Super exciting. These are things the guys don't have all of the time. So this has 100% covered our need for milk. Really, they have so much of it, and they really want to reach out and help a lot of these nonprofits out in the community. I've been sending out my friend and coworker Chip to get donations with the truck. We have to go to Clarksville, which really isn't that far. It's about a half hour. But with our truck, we're looking at least an hour each way. The truck can only go about 35 miles per hour, which means that we cannot get on the highway with the truck. So we have to take the back roads, and it's a long drive. That can definitely be a problem when it comes to food and temperatures, food safety. We're really hoping at some point to be able to get enough, donations and funding and help from the community to buy a new truck.
Backbone fell out. That is the whine for the primary brake and the auxiliary brake being on. And it's not on, but we're going to hear that noise all the way back.
Chip, how was the ride?
It was bumpy, it was noisy, and it was slow.